Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today is another open collaboration, Decorate My Space, and it is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the guest host is Design with Emma. We have several co-hosts. I will be leaving the playlist down in my description box, so like that you could go ahead and visit all of them. But for now, let's go ahead and get started.